Hi class, how are you doing? It's good to see you. I wanted to show you what's going on for social studies this week. You may have noticed I've organized our weeks into week one, week two, and week three. I can't believe we're on week three, but we are. So still continuing this week to do a Zoom room. I really messed up on Monday because I scheduled two meetings at the same time, which apparently you can't do on Zoom, so I apologize. But please always know you can email me and call me to get help on any of the work. It's so nice when I see that you submit work. I've got a lot of students who are doing the work every day. It looks like you just log in, do the work, submit it, and then you move on to your next class. And that's really, really responsible and really nice. So please continue doing that if you're doing that. This week, we are working towards a quiz on Friday. And we're not learning too much new things. We're kind of working with that text from last week and making sure we understand the important parts. So you're going to see a lot of the work this week is saying like go back and look at the India text, go back and look at your C notes. So I'm trying to have us like review the C notes that you already wrote so that we can really learn some most important things about India. So for Monday, I made a video about answering some of the questions that you wrote because last week, during week two, you all wrote some questions last Monday. And I was looking through the questions and thinking about which ones would be interesting to answer. So I have a video. So first watch the video. It's about 7 or 8 minutes. And then fill out this form just that lets me know like what did you learn from the video. So it's not too hard. Let's see, let's close that. I can see many of you have, oh, hi Harmonium. Many of you have already done it. So if I'm looking here, wow, like that's very good. All of you have already done it and it's not even the end of the school day. It's only 2:30 right now. Okay, thank you for doing that. The next thing for day 11, which is tomorrow, Tuesday, is I want you to do this Google form. So, sad face, you have to click on it. And basically all the answers are in the text. And for the quiz on Friday, some of the questions on the quiz are going to be these questions. So I want you to try to answer them. If you don't remember the answer, you can go back in the text. I think you're going to find that many of you will probably you don't even need to look back at the text because you'll probably remember this stuff. And if you are remembering it, then that's a sign to you that you're learning it pretty well. Okay, so that was for day 11. Day 13 is something fun I'm trying. It's a picture board, and I have a video showing you how to do the picture board. And I'll show you what it looks like. You're going to use some pictures from the internet. So what I did is I went in the book and I looked at the different sections and I found some keywords. And I thought it would be fun, since we're all sitting at home with our iPads, if you could put some pictures in. So the directions for here are: look at the India text you read last week. Find two keywords from each section. If you have trouble, use two of the keywords I wrote in the box. Go on Google, find a picture of the word and save it to your pictures or your camera roll, and then insert the picture in the box. So you basically, like, if you could do Asia, you could search up Asia, put a picture of Asia. You could search up New Delhi, put a picture of New Delhi. And that way you can kind of see a little bit more about what India looks like. So that is Wednesday's work. Let's see what's happening on Thursday. Thursday is an A to Z review. We've done this in class many times. And if you're not remembering how to do it, I bet you'll remember when you see what it looks like here. So the A to Z review is the alphabet, and I want you to record words that start with the letter. So I'm seeing E, I'm remembering elephant right away. Now, I have some people in the class who really like to challenge themselves and they like to do all of the letters. That is awesome. You don't have to do all the letters. You could. That's fun. I like to do all the letters. But I'm asking you to do at least 10. At the littlest, do 10 of the letters, and at the most, maybe 15. I'm saying that because I know some of the letters at the end of the alphabet are going to be really tricky. So you don't feel like you have to do Z and U and V. Like, don't kill yourself doing this. You'll be fine. It's just a chance for you again to look back at your text. The real purpose of the work this week is for you to be able to go back to the text and to review it. Because it's not really enough if we just if we just read something one time and like, oh, we're done. I want us to look back at the text and to remember what we read. So that's the purpose of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week, is to review. Then the last part is a quiz, and I'm telling you, you're going to be fine. You can take the quiz. Let's go back to the directions here. I think everyone's going to do really well because you can take the quiz 5 times until you get all the questions right. So you should pretty much stop when you get a perfect score. And if you only get half of them right the first time, like, take it again because you can. And you can use your notes. So the quiz is in here. It's open. You could try it right now. There's nothing stopping you. I opened it. Maybe try it. Maybe you try it and you're like, oh, I didn't do that good. I have to learn some stuff and then try it again. So that's the point of this week, is about India, or week 3, and we're just trying to like review what we've learned. So when I was thinking about this week, I was trying to kind of take it easy. Last week we did a lot of reading and writing. This week I wanted to do more reviewing. And then next week we will learn a little bit about Indian culture, more about the people and the culture. So thank you so much for your hard work. I appreciate it. I miss you guys. I'm very lonely in my house. Please email me and text me and call me because that makes me feel like I get the joy of teaching when I get to actually see you and talk to you. Okay, have a great day.